On to international news of the day, US President Donald Trump's fresh tariff warning has triggered reactions globally. European Union said that it could reach an outline trade agreement with the United States in the coming days. Bank of England said that the US tariffs' unpredictability, trade tensions, as well as conflicts in Iran, Gaza and Ukraine pose elevated risks to UK's financial stability. Malaysia's Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim too reacted sharply to the trade tariffs.
US President Donald Trump's fresh tariff warning has once again triggered reactions in many countries. EU trade chiefs said that the European Commission has made good progress on a framework trade agreement with the United States, and a deal may even be possible in the coming days.
The discussions are constructive. We have made good progress on the text of the joint statement or agreement in principle, and I hope we can soon finalise our work. Crucially, while other nations faced increased tariffs from the United States as a result of the letters that President Trump sent out on Monday, our negotiations have spared the EU from facing higher tariffs.
While Bank of England warned that US tariffs' unpredictability, trade tensions between Beijing and Washington, as well as conflicts in Iran, Gaza and Ukraine pose risks to UK financial stability.
Risks and uncertainty associated with geopolitical tensions, global fragmentation of trade and financial markets, and pressures on sovereign debt markets are still elevated. Some geopolitical risks have crystallized, and material uncertainty around the global macroeconomic outlook persists.
On Tuesday, Trump said a minimum of 7 tariff notices would be issued on Wednesday. He had also said he would impose a 50% tariff on imported copper and soon introduce long-threatened levies on semiconductors and pharmaceuticals, a day after he mounted pressure on 14 trading partners with fresh tariff letters. Malaysia's Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim too reacted sharply to trade tariffs, saying tools once used to generate growth are now used for pressure.
Across the world, tools once used to generate growth are now wielded to pressure, isolate and contain. Tariffs, export restrictions and investment barriers have now become the sharpened instruments of geopolitical rivalry.
While Bangladeshi garment exporters hope that US would reduce 35% tariff that President Donald Trump said he will impose. Bureau Report, DD India.
On to the Russia-Ukraine conflict now. Ukraine has accused Russia of launching its largest aerial assault since the conflict began.